Hi, everybody. I'm going to go through a quick script and show you how to put it into Markdown so that you can generate a report. This script you have available to you in the Camino page. It's called Text Analysis Facet Bar Plot. So I've downloaded it and I will open it in Markdown. And the script has a few packages, the tidyverse, um, tidy R, tidy text, Jane Austen R, and the package text data. So I'll load the packages. I will then use the Jane Austen package to just quickly see what the um, the data looks like. And as you can see, it's the line by line, the text of 6 of Jane Austen's novels, Sense and Sensibility. Then we have Pride and Prejudice, Emma, Persuasion, and Mansfield Park, I think, should be at the end here, some other novel. Yeah, so that's what the data looks like. Every line is a sentence. I want to do some very basic text analysis of it just to show how we might do things, illustrate a few commands. So first thing that I do is turn the text into bigrams. So I have 6,775,000 bigrams. So these are combinations of 2 words in the text. I might separate these bigrams into word 1 and word 2. So that's what this command is going to do. I might generate use a sentiment index. When you first run this, you will be prompted to confirm that you actually want it by typing 1 in the console. Then I'm going to generate a list of a vector of 4 negation words: not, no, never, without. Then I'm going to see what are the common words that follow these negation words. And there's my graphic. These are the common words that follow negation words, colored teal or orange according to their valence, positive or negative. So not never like, never want, never worth, never allow, never hope, never happy, never loved. These are the words that follow negation words. No pleasure, no great, no good, no better, no hope, without great, without love, without hope. You see the theme here in Jane Austen novels, obviously, is pretty straightforward. These aren't sports novels. These are novels about marriage and love. Um, we can order the bars. So this next command set of commands is just ordering the bars. You can see back here, the bars weren't in order of height of bars, and now they're ordered in height of bars. So that's all. It's a very short script. We could choose any words we want to for these words, or we want to see what comes after them. So, for example, we might choose some verbs. Let's choose some verbs like love, now loving, um, giving, uh, um, helping, and liking. And let's see, liking's both noun and verb. Let's see what happens there. Turns out that is only giving actually has a word after words after that, so I don't get get 0 for the other ones. Let's try something else then. Um, what would be more active? Walk, run, sit, and stand. So again, not very many examples of these words. Sit easy, sit alone, walk backed, walk ill, walk alone. Anyway, you get the idea. You try different combinations of words that have some sense, and then share that. So we'll go back to our original ones. Command Z, Command Z. Those are back to our negation work. Now we want to turn this into a markdown. So we're going to go and open a markdown script. So we just click on this file open button. There's our markdown. We'll call this Jane Austen, and put my name here and click OK. Now we have a template that we can use. I will save this as lab assignment 1, say. Then I'm going to delete the text here. So I'll put this is where text should go. And I will have more text here. And other text here. I'm going to delete what's inside the code chunks, which is some default stuff. Delete this. And I'm going to make sure I have echo equals false in each code chunk, because I don't want the code to be echoed in my report. The command here says set echo equals true, so I don't want to, for all the other code chunks, I certainly don't want that to be the case. Now in the setup command, I'm going to put my library commands, the loading the packages in the next. Sorry, my mouse often drops things, so I'm going to just put everything into the next code chunk. But what I'll do is I'm going to take out my bad plots, and I'll put the actual place where I create the improved plot. I'll put that in code chunk 3. So I have 3 code chunks. First code chunk reads in the packages or loads the packages. Second code chunk gets the data and the negation words. Third code chunk actually is the plot. So I'll change the name here to be plot. I'll change the name here to be load data. And I'll take this out. I'm going to add one hashtag and call this introduction to text analysis. And I think now I'm just going to save my file, and I'm going to knit it. And hopefully we'll get a nice looking report out of that, which will be an HTML file, and should look pretty decent. So it's going to take a second or two. There it comes. Oh, there's our report. Notice we have text here, and our graph appears here. My name, the date as the title. The introductions, a little bigger font than the regular font. Might make this not quite as big. So adding a hashtag will make it not quite as big. So hopefully that's useful for you as you're doing the assignment.